Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Edu Smart. So today in this video, I'm back with another update on Accenture. So there are things that you must know as if you wanted to join Accenture. So today in this video, I'll be showing you the joining letter as well as the overview of learning modules and one surprise about integrated with these two, that is joining letter and the learning modules. So let's get started. So let me show you the joining letter of Maunika. So she has cleared Accenture and so she received her joining letter. She's a 2021 pass out and so she was not from off campus. She got placed via on campus. So she got her learning module, like her learning period was about 95 days. She completed her learning period, but then there is something that you have to know. I'll tell you at the end of this video. So let us now see the joining letter. So how this joining letter will be similar to everyone, right? So if you have even placed via off campus, you can check out this joining letter and be ready with these documents that are necessary on the day of joining. Let's get started. So if you see the heading of this video, like heading of this mail, get up for day one at Accenture. So the location is Hyderabad. So it was according to her location preferences. She has chosen Hyderabad as preference one, and she got Hyderabad. So the joining date was 28 June 2021. This was from onboarding.docasc@accenture.com. So if you see, we are pleased to extend you the opportunity to join Accenture on 28 June 2021. So there is something called, they have given another profile that you can see here, https automation.accenture.com. So you have to, this is something like, if you click this, you'll get something like this. I'll be showing you this now. Here you can see, right? So this was that link. If you see here, welcome, her candidate ID, her name, her date of joining, and confirmation on joining with Accenture. Where if you wanted to join Accenture or not, you can have to choose. If you wanted to join, you have to choose yes, and then would you like to join us later? If you wanted to schedule this, if you wanted to extend this, you can do also do this. If yes, you can see that. I do not want to join Accenture because if you have better offer, you can choose better offer here. So I need date of joining extension. If not, if you wanted to extend the joining date extension, you can choose it over there. And confirmation on joining with Accenture, whether you wanted to join in this month or not, again you have to confirm. So that's how you will be filling this form, and then click save. So this will be done. You will get this mail when you complete the learning modules, and you can choose the extension and all. So in this mail you will be getting this link. So that link is this. You can, after this, you have to go for this countdown to Accenture to complete the required forms and provide necessary documentation. This will be accessible a week prior to your first day and must be completed before joining. You would have received instructions to access countdown to Accenture in a separate mail. In case of any issues in accessing the site, check out these FAQs. So countdown to Accenture is another profile that you have to complete. Again, in this profile you have to complete the forms. They will be asking some survey like things, and you have to complete them before joining Accenture. So important, use the login credentials shared with you in the welcome email to log into countdown to Accenture. The things are same. You can go to the action page and complete the countdown to Accenture, and this will be open 1 week prior to the joining date. Now if the joining date was on 28th, so 1 week prior, that means from 21st onwards this will be accessible. So additionally to this, there are some documents that are mandatory that you must keep on the day of joining. These are as follows: the hard copy of the signed e-offer letter. So you will be given an e-offer letter, right? So you have to keep the copy of the signed e-offer letter. So whichever the letter was given to you and whichever you have signed in the offer letter, you have to keep a hard copy of it. So guys, if you do not know how offer letter looks like, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will make a video on the offer letter given by Accenture and how to e-sign and all. So hard copy of the terms of employment document. So they will also be giving you the employment document terms and conditions. You have to keep hard copy of that. And 6 passport size photographs. I have to make photographs of 6 passport size photographs of 6, and original as well as photocopy of PAN card or acknowledgement of PAN application. So if you have the PAN card, you have to take original as well as photocopy. And if you do not have PAN card, you can even take the acknowledgement of PAN card application, original and photocopy. And apart from that, original mark sheet of all semesters of PG or UG. In case the college has not issued original mark sheets, then please get the soft copy of these assisted by the college. So if your college has not provided you with this, you can even choose for soft copy of all mark sheets, mark sheet of semesters, of all semesters. So by the time you join this organization, you are expected to have all semesters mark sheets at least. Original provisional degree certificate or convocation degree certificate. In case the college has not issued the original certificate or convocation degree certificate, then please get the soft copy of these attested by the college. So you can at least ask for the college for the soft copy of this, and your college must attest this. Attesting in the sense, there must be the logo of the college, and that must be a stamp or signature of your college. That makes that this is the original one. So one copy of all educational documents, like all the SSC and 12th documents, or if you are from the Polytechnic, you can also choose those documents, original copies. Not original, these copies are enough. So photocopy of ID proof, your ID proof photocopy, like PAN card or voter card, driving license or passport, whatever you have given in your candidate profile, you can choose those, of these are necessary. Maybe PAN card is of course necessary, and voter ID is, most of the people always keep that. So be ready with this. 2 photocopies of Aadhaar card is again necessary. So 2 photocopies of your Aadhaar card is also necessary for this. So these are the documents that are required for your on the day of joining at Accenture. So please be ready with this, and you will receive details and reminders about your joining date via emails and phone calls. Once you accept your joining date, we will share the details about your joining location. So if you have accepted this here, joining letter, then you will get all this. Even during, like, if you are facing any problems and all, people saying that we are unable to reach Accenture and all. So please don't worry about this, because Accenture keeps calling you once you complete this. Once you get your learning module, or whenever you are unable to upload your documents in the candidature profile, even Accenture will keep on calling you to make you comfortable with this joining process and all. So don't worry about this. This makes very easy for you. Now let us see. This was something about this. Now let us talk about the learning module overview and all. Now I'm going to show you the learning module overview now. So this picture shows you the learning module. These are the learning modules that covered by Accenture: the logic development, algorithms, software engineering concepts, OOPS UML, Java, RDBMS, web technology, Unix, data formats XML and JSON, and these are mock tests. These are not necessary. Only these come under the learning modules, which was shown 100% complete. So Monica has completed all these with 100%. So if you want the answers for these, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you comment that we need answers for these modules, I'm always happy to make answers for these as well. So don't worry about that. If you need, you can post a comment so that I will gear up with this. I'll ready the answers and all. I will make a video for that as well. So these are the learning modules. Now if you click on this, if you double click on this logic development, you will get something like this. So you can see this logic development, right? So this is a pre-quiz and it has 10 points. You have to complete this. This is a video, and this is something like PPTs and all in this. If you see this yellow color icon. And then if you go for this test your understanding, after watch the video and PPTs and all, your understanding will be tested here. This is a quiz like thing. If you click on this, you will again have to complete the test. You will be given some time and points. So according to the time taken and the number of correct answers given, Accenture will rate you. That will give you the rating on the as college topper, or anything else like this. You might be the college topper, team topper, something like that. There will be ratings as well. Don't worry. Based on your timing and number of correct answers, you will be given rankings as well. That does not make any significance. It does not have that significance. But however, if you open your dashboard, you can check out that you are the college topper. You will be given some badges on the dashboard and all. And post quiz is also a quiz that you have to complete after that in this learning module. So there are a lot more modules. This is a very simple module. The first one was. So if you click on everything, you will get something like this. You have to complete the quizzes and all. So you have to ask me in the comment section below. Only then I can make video for answers on learning modules of Accenture. So guys, apart from this, what I wanted to tell you at the end, that is what I said you surprise, right? The surprise is that Monica has completed her learning modules. Actually for on campus it was 95 days. After the 95 days, she has given her mock test for the fundamental assessment, right? If you clear 60%, if you only get 60% in fundamental assessment, then you will be given an employment opportunity. This is mandatory to get 60%, right? So before conducting the fundamental assessment, there will be something called mock assessment. So in this mock assessment, you will be having a proctored, there will be one invigilator. He will be checking you. Even if you down your head, he will be asking you, why are you doing like this and all. So you have to be ready with that. You have to do it by yourself. There will be 50 MCQs and one hands-on coding question. The hands-on coding question was very easy. You will be able to solve it. Nothing to worry about that. And the MCQs, there will be 50. If you clear, even if you choose randomly, there are chances that you at least keep 25% of them right. And if you clear the hands-on coding question, you will easily able to get 60% of the marks in the first attempt itself. So there was nothing to worry about it. But what the thing is, she has given her mock test, but she did not give her fundamental assessment at all. So this was a surprise. Even without giving the fundamental assessment, she was given this mail, which was this joining letter mail. So it is not mandatory to complete your what we call fundamental assessment to get your joining letter. No, they will give you the time where you can complete the fundamental assessment. But then even before you complete that, there are chances that you will get your joining letter for Accenture, for getting up at Accenture. So don't worry about not clearing like there are some questions like, what if I am unable to clear the fundamental assessment? What if I am unable to complete the learning modules and all? No, even if you did not complete this, she got her a mail because she completed the learning modules, but she did not even give the fundamental assessment. So please make sure that if you have any other questions, you can feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'm always happy to make a video on your doubts and all. But if you have some doubts like this, please let me know in the comment section below. So don't worry about not giving the fundamental assessment or not completing the fundamental assessment, that if I do not complete fundamental assessment, I will not be given the joining letter, I will not be taken for Accenture, I will be getting rejected and all. I'm getting a lot of questions like this on my Instagram. So thought of making a video on this, on offer letter, joining letter and all. So if you want video on offer letter, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you want a video on the answers for the learning modules, you can also ask me in the comment section below. And if you have any other questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. Only then I will be able to take up those questions and make a video on it. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll be back with another exciting video like this very soon. Thank you. Do not forget to share this video with the friends who already got placed at Accenture. Thank you.